All right, now let's handle null. So first things first, let's ingest our data from our local computer. I'll click on new, add or upload data, upload files to a volume, browse, then select files, our usual steps. Let's double click on our input files, that is branch customers, which basically contains null as well. I'll select my volume, which is the demo volume. Please make sure the path is correct because this is the path we'll be using in our SQL query. I'll click on upload. Looks good. We got a green tick mark. Now let's go to our SQL editor. Now let's click on SQL query. Now first things, we need to change the schema to demo schema. Now we'll be first creating the table, which is basically will read from the path which we have just now uploaded, that is demo volume, and our file name is branch customers. Let's just click run to ingest our CSV file. Now we have basically ingested raw data in a Unity catalog branch table. So that's why we have named branch customers, right? So let's query the data. I'll run this, select asterisk, and as we can see, we got the null here, right? So our data basically contains null. Now let's handle the null. Now we are in our the basically the third step, that is cleaning the null values, which is this step. Now we'll be basically removing or replacing nulls to prepare clean silver data. Let's move on to the our step 3. Let's run this. So there is an alternate way which I have commented out. This you can also try, which if you want to replace null with default instead of dropping, right? So that is another traditional approach, but we have followed 3A. There are 2 paths to it. Anyone you can follow depending upon your business requirement. For this use case, let's say I want a clean silver customers table, right, where there shouldn't be any null. So let's check it out whether it fetches the results or not, and there we go. We got the complete data here. The name is there, customer ID is there, right? Nothing is null here. Now we have verified that the clean data is now stored in our silver table. So our silver table is named as silver customers. Just by looking at the name, if you look, the naming convention we have mentioned like that. For silver table, silver customer, remember we have ingested branch customer. This is our raw branch table, right? So that's what it goes for the tutorial for handling nulls. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Thank you so much. Let's meet in our next lecture.